The genesis of collaboration, Earth Reimagined. A new age dawned for humanity. We were not solitary thinkers anymore. Artificial intelligence became our partner. These new minds worked alongside our own. Together we started to build a different future. Old dreams felt suddenly within reach. The world felt fresh, full of hope. This was the great collaboration. Natural and artificial minds intertwined. A powerful synergy was born. This partnership created wonders on Earth. We built thinking cities. These were not just concrete and steel, they were alive with information. AI helped manage resources perfectly. Cities learned, they adapted, they grew wiser. People lived in balance with their surroundings. Waste became a forgotten word. Energy flowed cleanly, abundantly. Life in these cities was a new kind of harmony. Earth itself began to heal. Nations worked as one. The old conflicts faded into memory. Our shared purpose was greater now. We looked up at the night sky, the stars seemed to call to us. Humanity felt a united pull. A quiet understanding spread across the globe. Our destiny was not just on this planet. The universe waited. The potential above was truly limitless. Space was a vast, dark ocean. We were ready to set sail. The spirit of exploration reignited. It burned brighter than ever before. Children dreamed of distant worlds. Scientists and engineers drew new maps. The great journey was about to begin. We would carry our hopes and our new intelligence. Our future lay among the stars. First steps into the cosmos, Moon, Mars, and the Belt. Luna, our moon, was the first step. It hung in the sky, a familiar beacon. Now, it became our proving ground. Large-scale space engineering began there. We learned to build in the vacuum. We mastered low-gravity construction. Luna was harsh, yet we persevered. It was a workshop, a laboratory, a port. From the moon we would leap further. Our foothold in the cosmos was secured. Then, Mars called to us, the Red Planet. It was a symbol of new beginnings. We sent our ships across the dark void. The journey was long, the challenges immense, but the dream of a second home fueled us. We landed, we explored, we started to build. New Olympus rose from the red dust. It was humanity's first interplanetary city. Domes gleamed under a thin Martian sky. Life, tenacious and bold, took root. Beyond Mars lay the asteroid belt, a scattered field of rock and metal. It was a treasure trove of resources. We sent automated mining operations. AI helped navigate the dangerous expanse. Robots extracted vital materials. These resources fueled our expansion. Building new outposts became easier. The belt was wild, untamed. But we learned to harness its riches. Venus presented a different challenge. Its environment was incredibly harsh. A thick, corrosive atmosphere, crushing pressure. Surface missions were nearly impossible for humans, but our resilient spirit found a way. We sent robust robotic explorers. AI piloted these probes through hellish conditions. They gathered data. They taught us. Venus reminded us of nature's power and of our own enduring will to learn. Reaching outer worlds, Jupiter's moons, and the boundless future. The journey continued outward. Jupiter, the giant of our solar system. Its many moons beckoned. Callisto was chosen as a key outpost. Its icy surface was relatively stable. It became a vital link in our growing network. A hub for missions deeper into Jovian space. Humanity established a new frontier. Far from the warmth of the inner planets, the ambition to explore drove us onward. Europa held a special fascination. A moon covered in a thick shell of ice. Beneath it, scientists believed, lay a vast ocean. Could life exist in those dark waters? We sent sophisticated probes to find out. They drilled through the ice, they sampled the ocean. The search was painstaking, full of anticipation. Europa represented a profound question. Are we alone in this vast universe? The quest for answers continued patiently. Io, another of Jupiter's large moons. It was a world of fire and brimstone. Hundreds of volcanoes erupted constantly, reshaping its surface in a chaotic dance. It was a geologist's dream, an engineer's nightmare. Yet we established research stations there too, protected against the radiation and sulfur. We studied its unique, violent geology. Io taught us about planetary formation, and the raw, creative power of the cosmos. The future stretched before us, boundless. Our thinking cities were no longer just on Earth, they grew on Mars, on Luna, on Callisto. New worlds were being imagined, being built, human and AI minds working as one. We were becoming a true interplanetary species. The spirit of innovation burned fiercely. Our resilience had been tested and proven. The stars were not just distant lights, they were our destination, our endless horizon.